Thank you, God, for the word so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the friends we have. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. A very good morning, children. All of you. Today, we have subject maths. Okay, children? So, are you ready to learn maths with me? Yes? Yes? Okay. First of all, children, all of you will sit straight. Okay? Don't be lazy, okay? Sit straight. Very good, children. Children, if we have any object or if we have any things, we just wanted to know the length, the breadth of that things, right? Yes? If we wanted to go in shop and buy some grocery or something, so we always measure and bring, right? 1 kg, 2 kg, 1 meter, 5 meters. What are all these, children? These all are measurement. These all are measurement. Okay? So today, there is a different measurements, length, mass, volume, different. But today, we will learn about length. What we will learn? We will learn about length. Okay? So are you ready to learn with me about the length? Yes? Okay, children. Children, in early days, people used to measure things with handspan. What is handspan? The measurement between the thumb and the little finger. This is handspan. So if I wanted to measure anything, I will use my handspan. For example, I will use this table. I will use handspan 1, 2. So the measure of this table is 2 handspan. Okay. But children, the length of my hand and your hand is not same. It is different because my hand is bigger than yours. Show me your hand. All of you, show me your hand. Very good. See, mine is bigger than yours. So when you will measure the same table, it might be 2.5 handspan or 3, right? So this is not an accurate weight. It is not an accurate length to check, right? So these are non-standard unit of measurement. Okay, one handspan, other is cubit. What is cubit? The measurement from elbow to the middle finger. Show, all of you show the measure from elbow to middle finger is known as cubit. What it is known as? Cubit. Children, this is also not a proper. For example, my cubit is longer than yours. See, the measure of this table is 1 cubit. Okay? But in your case, your hand must be small. So it will be 1 or 1.5. Right? So these are not an accurate measurements. So for standard units, we have some measurements to be learned, and that is millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometers. These are the standard unit for measurement. Children, I will share my screen and I will explain you. Okay, children, our today's topic is measurement. Okay. Now, children, what is measurement? Measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. See, children, as I told you before also, we can measure the length, weight, and capacity. Okay? Now, see, children, I talked about handspan. This is handspan. Handspan means the distance from the tip of the little finger and from the thumb outstretched. Okay? Can you see this, children? This is our handspan. Children, we can also use foot. Previously, people used to use the length of their foot like this to measure the length. But here also, the thing is that your foot is shorter than mine. Okay? So, it will not show you the exact length. And this is third one, cubit. The cubit is the distance between the middle finger till the elbow, our elbow, as I shown you. Okay, children? So these measurements, children, are non-standard units. Means we will not get the accurate measurement from these measurements. Now let us learn about the standard measurement. See, children, standard measurement are very useful and essential in our daily life. Length is a distance of an object. Standard measurement of length is meter. Now see, children, I told you what are the standard units of measurements. Millimeters, centimeter, meters, kilometers. Okay? These are the standard units of measurements of length. And the things we use to measure the standard units are measuring tape. Children, have you seen the measuring tape? Yes. Where you can see this measuring tape? We can see this measuring tape. Where? Tailor. Okay. He uses to measure the cloth. We also have metric scale to measure the longer distance. These are the standard. And we have ruler also. Everybody is having ruler? Yes, we can use a ruler. Now, children, let us learn how to measure the length. of centimeter. Now see children, can you see my scale? Yes. See children, this is my scale. Okay. Now see children, whenever you wanted to measure any object, any small object, you should always start from 0. You will always start from 0. See children, from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. Okay. And from 1 to 2, it is 2 centimeter. From 2 to 3 is 3 centimeter. And from 3 to 4 is 4 centimeter. And so on. Now, children, you must be wondering, what are these small lines? Children, these lines are called as millimeter. What these lines are called as? Millimeter. From 0 to 1, we have 10 lines in between. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, from 0 to 1, we have 10 lines, that small lines that we call it as millimeter. What we call it as? Millimeter. We call it as millimeter. Children, the short form of millimeter is mm. So children, and from 0 to 1 is centimeter, and centimeter is written, the short form is cm. What is the short form of centimeter? Cm. So children, centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters, because in scale we have 10 small lines, right? To measure the distance, if it is not 1 or 2, it is shorter than 1 or 2, then we have to use millimeters to measure the length. Okay? Let us go further. See children, here you can see a line on 0. So from 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, 2 you have another line in red color, that is 2 millimeters. Similarly, when you go further, it is 3 millimeters, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see children, from 0 to 1, we have 10 lines. You can also, children, you can also count from 1 to 2. It will be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is also a millimeter. So basically, children, from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, we have 10 small lines that we call it as millimeters. So these measurements, millimeters and centimeters, are used to measure short object. Okay, when the object is short, you can measure that. Now let me show you another slide. Now see children, this is a ruler and I want to measure pencil. I want to measure pencil. So children, I will start from 0. So 0 to 14. So the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter. That is cm. Now let me show you another slide. Now see children, this is crayon. This is a crayon. Now I want to measure this crayon. Now see children, can you see the crayon is between 4 to 5. Now what we will assume? It's 4 centimeter or 5? No, it is not 4, neither it is 5. It is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 4.6. That is 4 centimeter and 6 millimeters. Okay, children? Understood? Yes? Now, children, we use millimeters and centimeter to measure smaller things. Okay, like pen, sharpener, and compass box. Now, children, I will show you how to measure life. Now, see, children, I have a ruler. Can you see the ruler? This is a ruler. I will show you how to measure the things. I have a small ruler also. Can you see this, children? Everybody must be having it at home. Everybody is having? Yes or no? You have this ruler? Yes? Show me a thumbs up. Okay. So, you have to, I will show you how to measure. Now, see, children, I have an object that is, what is this? A sharpener. Now, I will measure the sharpener. As I told you, to measure any object, we have to start from 0 or 1. Come on, tell me fast. We have to start from 0 or 1. Very good, Aditi. We have to start from 0. So I will place this object and I will show you. Now see, children, when I start from 0, can you see what is the distance? What is the measurement? 1, 2, and 3. So it is 3 centimeter. The length of the sharpener is 3 centimeter. What is the length of the sharpener? 3. Can you see, children? Everyone? Okay. Now let us take another object. This is a Fevi-stick. Okay. Now I will again place it and start from 0. Now who will tell me how many centimeter it is? How many centimeter? 7 centimeter. How many centimeter? 7. Very good. Now I have another thing, that is a pen. Okay. What is this? A pen. I wanted to measure the pen, so I will place it. The pen is 14 centimeter. The pen is 14 centimeter. Okay. So children, with the help of scale, we can measure the short objects. Now see children, I will use this scale to measure the straw because the length of the straw is bigger. So I will measure it. Can you see how many centimeter it is? Very good. It is 8 centimeter. Okay. So children, with the help of the rulers, we can use, what we can do? We can measure the length of the short objects, not a long one, a short objects. Children, nowadays, we also have such kind of fancy rulers. Here also you can see centimeter is written and different shapes are also there. Okay. Now children, let us do one activity. Are you all ready to do one activity with me? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let's start. For this, I will use, can you see this chart, children? Now, I have some, can you see this chart, children? Okay. Now, children, I have some stick. I have some stick with the different measurements. I have only sticks from 1 to 8. Okay, remember, I have only sticks from 1 to 8. You have to guess it. You have to guess it. Ki, what is the centimeter of that stick? The number should be between 0 to 8. Sorry, 1 to 8. Okay, ready? Everyone ready? Then we will measure with the scale that your guess is right or wrong. Okay, so the first is this stick. Now tell me, how many centimeter it must be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. Fast. Okay, one is telling 3, one is telling 5, one is telling 2, one is telling 1. So we have scale. Now I will measure and show you. It is 8. What it is? 8 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. So I will place here. Okay, 8 centimeter. Now see children, the length of 8 centimeter is this much. So now you should always guess it properly because now the length will be shorter. Okay, now let us show you another one. Now tell me, who will tell me how many centimeter it must be? Oh, Janki, you are absolutely right. It is 3. Very good. It is 3. Now see. Can you see, children? Wow, very nice, Janki. 1 marks to you. So I'll place here. Now let me show you another one. Come on, guess it fast. Let me see who is the winner. Oh, Lakshmi says 5. 7, no. Who says 6? The correct answer is 6. The correct answer is 6. Now let me show you by measuring. Yes, Dipanshu, you're right. It is 6. So I will place 6 on the 6th column. Okay. Now let me see. Come on now, let me see who is. Wow, everyone is correct. 1, correct. See, children, let me show you by measuring it. It's 1 centimeter. You're very intelligent class. Now let me show you this. One more. Now you can also see here, children, which are left. One is finished. Yes, Aditi, perfect answer. It's a 4 centimeter. Correct. Very nice. See. Yes. Okay. Now we have 2, 5, and 7 left. So let me show you. 2, 5, and 7 are left now, huh? Guess fast. Correct. Correct. It is 7. See, children. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. Now, everybody will guess it now. 2 and 5 is remaining. Wow, very nice, Janki. It's 2. And the last is remaining 5. 5. Okay. So we also have to write this. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 8 centimeter. Children, understood how we have to measure meter and millimeter and centimeter? Yes? Everybody understood this much? Okay. Now let us go further. Now, see, children, again, I want to share my screen. Just have a look. Yes, children. Now see, children, I showed you if you wanted to measure the small distance, you can measure using millimeters and centimeter. But what about children? Now I have one thing in my hand. This is a stall. Can you see the stall? Yes. Now the length is so big. How can I measure this? I can measure this with the help of this. This is called as measuring tape. And the tailors use this in their shop or the cloth market person uses to measure meter. With this. See, it is also so long, you can use this to measure the longer distance. Okay, children, 100 centimeter. Now see, children, this is a scale of 15 centimeter. This is a scale of 15 centimeter, children. 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. 100 centimeters makes, that means you have to use the scale how many times? 15, 30, 45, 60, okay, 75, 90, and then 10 units more. So more than 6 times if you use the scale, that is 1 meter. So instead of using this scale, we can use measuring tape. We can use measuring tape, children. So we have to use this tape for measuring the cloth. Now see, let me show you from the smaller one. Now see, children, this is a hanky, okay, a handkerchief. Now I want to measure this handkerchief. I can use this measuring tape. So from, again here also we have to start from 0. What is the measurement? 8. The measurement is 8 centimeter only, because it is a, not the length is smaller. Now I have another thing to measure, that is a hand towel. Now this, for this, we cannot use a small scale like this. It will, we can use, but it will take a time. 1, 2, 3 like this. So better this, for this we can use this measuring tape. Now let me measure. It is how much? What is the length of this hand towel? What is the length? Very good. The length is 19. What's the length? 19. Okay. Now I have another thing, that is, this is doormat. What is this? Doormat. I want to measure the length of the doormat. Now, again, I will start from 0. See properly, children. What is the measure? 22 or 23? See it properly. Very good. The measurement is 23 centimeter. Now I have this tall. I have this stall. So I will measure now the stall. I will place this. Now children, see the length. It is, oh, how much? It is, children, very good. It is 53. So children, with the help of this measuring tape, we can measure the longer distance. Okay. Now again, I'll share my screen. Now see, children, this is a racing track. Now see, children, now we can measure it with this small scale. We can measure, children, but it takes lot of time. So children, to measure these tracks, we use meters or kilometers. Okay, children, we use meter or kilometers to measure the longer distance. To measure the longer distance, we use meters or kilometers. Now see, children, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. See, children, this is our national highway. Okay, to measure the length of this, if you will use a small scale or a small measuring tape, it will take lot of time and it will waste lot of time. So with the help of kilometers, we have to measure the distance. Okay. Children, have you seen this board? Have you seen the stones? Yes, while traveling, you see the stones. In that stones, the name of the place and the kilometers are there. That so much kilometers are left. This shows us how many kilometers are there to travel to such places where we go. Children, this is also a metric tape. We measure this. We use this to measure long distance. It opens and closed and we can measure the long distance. For example, I'll show you. Here I have a door. Now the door is too long for me to measure. So I will use the scale. Shall I use the scale? No, I will not. I will use this measuring tape to measure the distance. Okay, children. So the distance is around 80. So with this tape, we can measure the longer distance. Okay. Now, let us go further. Now, let us see the table of measurements of length. We denote meter by M. 10 millimeters, that is, millimeter is denoted by mm. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter and 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is 1 meter and we write centimeter as cm and meter as m. And 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. Now children, we also use different objects to measure weight, as in the last lesson when I met you, I have taught you how to measure weight. So what we used? Balance, machine, electronic machine. These all things are used to measure weight. Weight machine, here you can stand and measure your body weight. Spring balance. These are the objects to measure weight. Now it's time for homework. Everybody will do homework. I will give you only little homework. You will do it? Yes? No? Yes? Very good. Now you have to find out the length of the following. Okay? A towel. You have the measuring scale or a measuring tape. You can find out the length. A towel, a handkerchief, a sari of your mama, a dupatta. Thank you. I hope children, you understood to measure, how to measure the length. Everybody understood? Yes. How to measure the length? Now you can measure the length of the following items. Okay, which I told you as a homework. A handkerchief, a towel, a sari, and a dupatta. Find out the length of these. Okay. All of you take care. See you soon again. God bless you all. Bye-bye.